Did you know that rust costs U.S. vehicle owners over $3 billion every year in corrosion-related repairs? According to automotive industry reports, corrosion is one of the top reasons vehicles fail safety inspections in northern states. In areas where road salt is heavily used, vehicles can start developing structural rust in as little as 5 to 7 years if not properly maintained. And once structural rust sets in, repair costs can easily exceed $2,000 to $5,000. But the good news is, rust is one of the most preventable forms of car damage. In this video, I'm going to show you 14 powerful, mechanic-approved hacks that can literally prevent your car from rust. Stick until the end because the final hack is something even experienced drivers overlook, and it can save you thousands. Let's start with the easiest hack. Hack number 1. Wash the underside more than the paint. Most drivers wash their car for shine, but rust doesn't start on the hood, it starts underneath. In the US, states that use road salt during winter see dramatically higher corrosion rates, and studies show salt accelerates rust formation up to 10 times faster than normal moisture exposure. The underbody traps salt, mud, and moisture around suspension parts, subframes, and brake lines. If left there, it creates constant chemical corrosion. A simple underbody rinses every 2 weeks can drastically slow corrosion. You don't need a fancy lift. Even a pressure washer at a slight angle works. This single habit can add years to your car's structural life. Clean metal resists rust far better than dirty, damp metal. Hack number 2. Clear drain holes before water gets trapped. Modern vehicles are designed with drain holes in doors, rocker panels, trunk lids, and sunroof channels. But when these get clogged with debris, water gets trapped inside metal cavities. According to vehicle corrosion studies, trapped moisture is one of the leading causes of inside-out rust, where the panel looks fine until it suddenly bubbles. In humid U.S. states like Florida and Louisiana, high moisture levels make this even worse. Water sitting inside a door for weeks creates the perfect corrosion environment. A simple inspection every few months using compressed air or a thin plastic tool can prevent this entirely. This takes less than 10 minutes, but can prevent hundreds of dollars in body repairs. Most drivers don't even know these drains exist, and that's exactly why rust wins. Hack number 3. Wax your car as a protective barrier. Many people think waxing is just about shine, but it is actually a protective shield. Wax seals microscopic pores in your paint that prevents oxygen and moisture from reaching the metal beneath. According to detailing industry data, properly waxed paint can reduce surface oxidation significantly compared to untreated paint. In coastal U.S. regions where salt air is common, vehicles without protective coatings show faster paint deterioration. Applying wax every 3 to 4 months creates a hydrophobic barrier that repels water. It also makes dirt less likely to stick, reducing long-term paint damage. Even inexpensive wax products dramatically outperform leaving paint unprotected. Think of wax as corrosion insurance for your car's exterior panels. It is not luxury, it is prevention. Hack number 4. Fix paint chips immediately. A single rock chip exposing bare metal can start rusting within days in humid conditions. According to collision repair data in the US, untreated paint chips are one of the top causes of localized rust spots. Once rust forms under paint, it spreads invisibly until bubbling appears. And by that time, repair costs jump significantly because sanding and repainting larger sections becomes necessary. Touch-up paint kits cost very little compared to body shop repairs that can run $300 to $1,000 per panel. The hood, wheel arches, and door edges are especially vulnerable because they take direct impact from road debris. Fixing chips early prevents corrosion from ever gaining a foothold. A 10-minute fix today can prevent a body shop visit later. Hack number 5. Apply rust protection spray in hidden cavities. Rust often starts where you can't see it, such as inside frame rails, under trim, and within door panels. In northern U.S. states, many drivers now use annual oil-based undercoating treatments to combat salt corrosion. Automotive corrosion reports show vehicles treated with protective undercoating last significantly longer in high salt environments. Rust protection sprays creep into seams and joints that washing cannot reach. These areas are exactly where factory coatings eventually thin out. Applying cavity wax once a year creates a moisture-blocking film that dramatically slows oxidation. This is especially important for older vehicles where factory coatings may have weakened. Preventing internal rust is far cheaper than repairing structural damage later. Hack number 6. Avoid parking over wet surfaces overnight. Parking habits matter more than most drivers think. Studies show that constant exposure to ground moisture accelerates underbody corrosion. Parking over wet grass or damp soil traps humidity beneath the car for hours. In coastal or humid states, this effect is even worse. Garaging a vehicle significantly reduces long-term corrosion risk compared to outdoor parking. If a garage is not available, parking on dry pavement instead of soil can make a noticeable difference. Even airflow matters, because enclosed, damp areas with no ventilation can trap moisture around metal components. Rust doesn't just need water, it needs time. Reducing overnight exposure reduces that time dramatically. Hack number 7. Maintain door seals and weather stripping. Rubber seals protect metal edges from direct water intrusion. When these seals dry out or crack, water seeps into door frames and window channels. Over time, trapped moisture leads to bubbling paint and hidden rust along the seams. Automotive inspection data shows that rust often begins along door bottoms due to neglected seals. Cleaning and conditioning seals with silicone spray keeps them flexible and water-resistant. Healthy seals also prevent water from entering during heavy rain or car washes. Many drivers replace panels when the real problem was simply neglected rubber. Maintaining seals costs almost nothing, but prevents expensive corrosion repairs later. Hack number 8. Rinse after every winter storm. In northern U.S. states, departments of transportation spread millions of tons of road salt every winter, and that salt doesn't just disappear when snow melts. It sticks to brake lines, fuel lines, subframes, and suspension arms. Research shows salt residue continues corroding metal even after roads dry because it attracts moisture from the air. That means your car can rust on a sunny day if salt is still underneath. Waiting until spring to wash your car is a major mistake. A rinse within 48 hours after driving on salted roads dramatically reduces corrosion activity. Even a basic undercarriage spray at a self-service wash makes a difference. Frequent rinsing interrupts the chemical reaction before it accelerates. In winter states, this one habit alone can extend frame life by years. Hack number 9. Protect brake and fuel lines with anti-corrosion coating. In the U.S., rusted brake lines are a common reason due to that vehicles fail state safety inspections. When brake lines corrode, they can rupture under pressure, and that's extremely dangerous. Applying a light anti-corrosion coating or protective spray to exposed lines creates a barrier against salt and moisture. Mechanics in rust-prone states often recommend this preventative step, especially for vehicles over 5 years old. Replacing brake lines can cost hundreds or even thousands, depending on routing. Preventing corrosion on these critical components protects both your wallet and your safety. Rust doesn't just damage appearance, it compromises braking performance. Hack number 10. Install mud flaps to reduce rock chips and moisture spray. Most drivers think mud flaps are just cosmetic accessories, but in reality, they are one of the simplest rust prevention tools you can install. In the United States, especially in northern states where road salt is used heavily during winter, tires constantly spray a mixture of salt, gravel, and moisture directly onto wheel arches and rocker panels. Every small rock chip created by tire spray exposes microscopic areas of bare metal. Over time, these tiny chips turn into bubbling paint and spreading rust. Mud flaps significantly reduce that high-speed spray and limit the number of paint impacts. This means fewer exposed metal points and fewer rust starting zones. For drivers who frequently travel highways, gravel roads, or construction areas, mud flaps act like armor for the lower body panels. A small installation today can prevent hundreds in body repair costs later. Hack number 12. Apply paint protection film on high-impact areas. High-impact zones like hood edges, door sills, and rear wheel arches are rust hotspots. Paint protection film acts as a transparent shield that absorbs rock impacts before they chip paint. In U.S. markets, paint protection film has become increasingly popular because it prevents expensive repainting. Once paint chips, corrosion often begins beneath the surface. Protecting these vulnerable zones drastically reduces exposed metal incidents. While installation has an upfront cost, it prevents repeated chip repairs over time. Many newer vehicles maintain cleaner panels longer simply because of protective film. No exposed metal means no starting point for rust. Hack number 13. Keep the engine bay clean. Most people clean their car's exterior but completely ignore the engine bay, and that's a mistake. The engine bay may not look exposed, but it constantly faces heat cycles, moisture, dirt buildup, and chemical exposure. In many U.S. regions with high humidity or heavy rainfall, debris trapped inside the engine compartment holds moisture against metal brackets, bolts, and structural supports. Over time, that trapped moisture becomes a silent corrosion trigger. Studies from automotive service reports show that neglected engine bays often develop early-stage corrosion around mounting points and fasteners. Light cleaning a few times a year prevents grime from trapping moisture. You don't need aggressive washing, just careful wiping, safe degreasing, and ensuring drains are clear. Hack number 14. Annual professional rust inspection. Most drivers only notice rust when it becomes visible, but by that stage, internal corrosion may already be advanced. In states with strict safety inspections, structural rust is a frequent cause of failure. Having a professional inspect the underbody annually helps catch early-stage corrosion before it spreads. Early intervention costs far less than structural repair. Mechanics can identify thinning coatings, weakened seams, and early oxidation spots. Preventative treatment at this stage can save thousands later. Think of it like a health checkup for your vehicle's frame. The bottom line of this video is, rust doesn't destroy cars overnight, but neglect does. If you apply even half of these hacks consistently, your car will stay stronger, safer, and more valuable for much longer. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more real-world car protection secrets that most drivers never learn until it's too late.